Hey guys, welcome back. Akahilz live on CoinMarketcap Alexandria. Says crypto news January 20, big Google and Meta stories. So guys, we'll be reviewing this article and the news headlines. Akahilz, feel free to like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates and beneficial uploads. So we're looking at this table of contents. We have the biggest, best crypto news ever from our CoinMarketCap podcast. So you want to stay tuned, check it out, and you can also listen to it directly on your browser, Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and Google Podcasts. So whichever one you prefer. So first headline, we have Crypto.com Act affected 483 users. The total of 4,836 ETH was taken during the incident, alongside 443.93 BTC and $66,200 in other assets. So Crypto.com asserted that no customers had experienced a loss of funds, with most unauthorized withdrawals prevented. So our NFT advertisers coming back to Facebook. So that's according to Financial Times, which says the parent company of both social networks, Meta, is working on plans that would allow users to create and sell non-fungible tokens. On the Google page to entice users with cryptocurrencies are set to become a bigger part of Google Pay, according to Bloomberg's reports. Bloomberg writes that the tech giant wants to entice users by making the most out of partnerships established with the likes of Coinbase. We have sale vows on never to sell Bitcoin. So BTC is currently 40% down from ATH set in November, but in an interview with Bloomberg, Silla insisted that the digital asset holds receipts advantages over the dollar. So when asked whether there is a temptation to offload the 124,391 BTC that came, that MicroStrategy currently wants, he said, never, no, we are not sellers. So guys, that's all on today's news update. Akahilz, feel free to like, share, subscribe, stay safe, and one love.